Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication. We solve. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says simplify the first bracket, which is priority orders. Now you can see in this expression solve the square roots inside the first bracket, which is root 64. According to this, answer is 8. According to this step, our proceed left to right. Inside these brackets, the root order comes before addition, and now the current expression becomes 8 plus 20 minus 10% of 50. Move to the next step. According to the next step, complete the first bracket, which is addition. Now 8 plus 20 is equals to 28. According to this step, this completely clear the first bracket, and now the current expression become 28 minus 10% of 50. Move to the next step. Simplify the second bracket. Priority there is of. Now calculate 10% of 50. So now it becomes 10 upon 100 multiplied by 50. We just cut it down zeros and will get answer as 5. According to this step, we must always solve the second bracket entirely before subtracting. And now the current expression becomes 28 minus 5. Now move to the next and final last step, subtraction. So subtract the 28 minus 5. It gives you 23 as a final result. According to this step, this is the final remaining arithmetic operation. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final result simplified value is 23. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.